second water feature that we've had with JVI. We had this space over here that really didn't serve a purpose, and so 2 or 3 years ago, my husband Chris and I were talking about, we need to do something maybe that can complement our pool area on this side. And so he was like, what about a water feature? And obviously I was like, yes, that'll be great. So, we just went in the internet, started kind of searching for companies. JVI popped up. They were local, Nashville, which was great. Looked at some of the photos on the gallery, reviews looked great, so we called Derek. What we wound up doing with the first feature was something more of like a brook or a stream. We started this addition on the back of our house about 7 months ago. And so back in August, we were like, kind of think we want to vamp up our water feature over here, something, a little different. We knew we wanted to do the vases, we just didn't really know if we had enough space for those. And so Derek came out and was like, hey, we can make this happen.
Pond over there or back there? It's back there.
We've actually had several people ask us, hey, who did your fountain for you? And obviously, we're JVI, you got to give them a call, and anyone who comes out here, they automatically walk over to the feature. It's kind of like the feature draws them, over, and so they'll stand and look, and really pretty, how'd you come up with this? And we're like, it's all Derek, JVI. It's all them. Travis and his group, I can't say enough. Phenomenal. Anytime that I've had, to ask a question, I'll call Travis, and he's been great, and if he can't walk me through it on the phone, then he would make a trip out here and, show me, hey, this is what, you should do. Customer service, top notch, in today's world, customer service is not always the best, and they care about their customers, they care about what the finished product looks like. They're very involved and want you as the customer to be involved in the process. Within a matter of 2 or 3 days, Travis and his group were out here, had it put together, and there you are, it's phenomenal. We love it.